In India, we are blessed with so many festivals. As Ganesh Chaturthi is here, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a makeup look that is just right for this festival. Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this easy glam look. You can always replace the products that I'll be using in this tutorial with the products you have at your home. Having said that, I'll also leave the details of the products that I've used in the description box below so that you can refer them. And now with any further ado, let's get started. For prepping my skin, I've already applied a toner and now I'm going with my stroke cream. This is from MAC in the shade Peach Light. I love applying it because it does not only moisturize my face but it also gives a beautiful sheen to it. Then I am going in with this primer from Color Bar. I really recommend applying a primer if you have problems of fine lines or open pores because it really smoothens up your face and provide a beautiful canvas before you can start with makeup on your face. For my foundation, I am going in with Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. I totally love this foundation from drugstore range. And this foundation is really good for all skin type, be it dry or oily. This gives a little bit of matte effect to your skin. So if you are someone who likes matte effect and want to try a drugstore foundation, then I highly recommend you guys to use this foundation and I'm sure you're gonna love it. For my concealer, I'm going in with my Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. Now this concealer has light to medium coverage, so if you are someone who wants to have heavy coverage, then this concealer is not for you. But if you are looking for something that can just brighten up your under eye area, then you can just try this Fit Me concealer. I've applied this concealer to my usual areas, that is underneath my eyes, on top of my eyelid, also on my forehead because I have a little bit of darkness on my forehead. I've also applied it near my mouth so as to just get rid of little bit darkness that I have near my mouth, and then just using a concealer brush I'm blending my concealer like so. For my lips, I am taking the shade 04 Plum Yum from Sugar brand. This is a very beautiful light pink color liquid lipstick and this will look beautiful on dusky to fair skin tone girls. I'll only recommend to apply this liquid lipstick if you do not have chapped lips because it has a drying formula, so it may not look that flattering on girls with chapped lips. Then I am going in with the same liquid lipstick as a blush. So I've applied it on my cheeks in dots and using my fingers to blend it. Then I realized that it was really difficult to blend it. So what I did is I took my stroke cream that I had handy and I used it to just blend my liquid lipstick as my blush. If you don't have a stroke cream, you can always replace it with a moisturizer and that would also work really well in blending this lipstick as a blush. So yeah, that's about it. To set my concealer, I'll take this translucent powder from LA Girl and I'll apply it underneath my eyes and also on the top of my eyelid. Then I'm going in with the same powder product and I'm applying it all over my face. If you have an oily skin type, then you would not like to skip this step. For my brows, today I am taking this L'Oreal Brow Artist Kit. This is one of my favorite eyebrow product. Using an angular brush to apply the powder product from this Brow Artist Kit. I do have scanty eyebrows, so defining my eyebrows really frames my face and you can see how different this side of face looks after doing my eyebrows. For my eyeshadows, I am taking this palette from NYX. I'll be primarily using two shades, one lighter shade and this copper shade which is a shimmer one. Taking the lighter rusty brown shade in my fluffy brush, I'm applying it on the crease of my eyes, going from the outer corner of my eyes towards the inner corner of my eyes. I'll concentrate most of the products towards the outer corner of my eyes to achieve that almond shape. I'll also be applying the same shade on the eyelid of my eyes using the same brush. Then instead of using a thin brush, I'll hold my fluffy brush like so and I'll apply the same shade underneath my lower lash line. Then taking the copper shimmer shade from the palette, I'll apply it on my eyelid using a flat brush. Now this copper shimmer shade looks good on all Indian skin tone and it does not have the chunky glitter particles in it. Now going in with the lightest shimmer shade from the palette, then applying it to highlight my brow bone area and also in the inner corner of my eyes. Also using the same shade to highlight my cheekbones and as usual the bridge of my nose and the cupid bow. For my eyeliner today I am going with my Magnet Eyes eyeliner from Faces Canada. It has a very precise fine brush and I am using it to create a winged eyeliner to further lift my eyes up. For my mascara I am going with Total Temptation waterproof mascara from Maybelline. Girls, please note I really don't recommend applying a waterproof mascara for every makeup look because it can really be very difficult to remove and it can really harsh your eyelashes. Now moving on to the last step, I'll set my makeup using a primer water from Smashbox. It will really help in making my makeup last for a long period of time and it will help in melting my powder based product. I'm also going in with my Kabuki foundation brush and I'll tap it on my powder based product so as to get that seamless blended makeup look. Guys, this is my final look. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and if you did then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha and do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new video. On that note, I'll see you soon. Bye.